In this video, let us discuss about 5 problems which are asked for 4 mark questions. We will find in old question papers. So the first question, 3 capacitors of capacitances 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad are connected in parallel. What is the ratio of charges? What is the ratio of potential difference? So first he said parallel. So in parallel combination, first let us write here, in parallel combination, so potential difference remains same, right? So actually, what is the ratio of charges he said? Okay, capacitances are C1 1 microfarad, C2 2 microfarad, C3 3 microfarad. Okay, ratio of charges. What is the formula for capacitance? Q by V. So what it happens? C1 equal to Q1 by now parallel combination, no? Right? So it is parallel combination. So Q1 by V, C2 equal to Q2 by V, C3 equal to Q3 by V. Now V is same. Alright? For 3, V is same because parallel combination V remains same. So now how we will write the ratio of charges? Q1 is to Q2 is to Q3. We can write it as C1 is to C2 is to C3. So that is nothing but 1 is to 2 is to 3. Right? Which he gave in the problem. Now B. What is the ratio of potential difference? V1 is to V2 is to V3. So potential difference remains the same, no? So 1 is to 1 is to 1. We can write no. Potential difference remains the same. 1 is to 1 is to 1. If I take, so 1 is to 1 is to 1, how we can write. Okay. Now next, the same problem connected in series. So in series combination, charge remains the same. Charge Q remains same. First he asked to find the ratio of charges. Charge is same, no? Q1 is to Q2 is to Q3 is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Charge same. Now next he asked to find the ratio of potential differences. So V1 is to V2 is to V3. What is potential difference? So C is equal to Q by V, no? So V is equal to Q by C. Q is the same, no? So can I write Q by C1, Q by C2 is to Q by C3. Q same, so I can write 1 by C1 is to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. Now 1 by, what is C1? 1. What is C2? 2. What is C3? 3. Right? Now what is the LCM here? Right? The LCM here will be 1, 2, 3, no. 2 3s are 6. Generally I am saying 6. So 1 6 are 6. Now 2, how many is are 6? 6 is the LCM, no. I will write here. 1 6 are 6, so 1 into 6 is 6. 2 3s are 6, 1 into 3, 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 into 2, 2. So answer is 6 is to 3 is to 2. Right? Now the next problem, 3 capacitors, each of capacitance 9 picofarad are connected in series. So 3 capacitors such as C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 9 picofarad. They are connected in a series. What is the total capacitance of a combination? So what will be the capacitance? So in series connection, no, 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So 1 by C equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. Both, all three are same. 1 by C or SU, right? No, series. 1, 2, 3, 3 by 9. So 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 3. So CS is equal to 3 picofarad. Okay. Now next what he asked, what is the potential difference across each capacitor if the combination is connected to 120 volt battery? Okay. If the combination is connected to 120 volt battery. Now he is asking to find the potential difference, that is V1, V2, V3. Okay. So for that, let the charge, this is series connection, no? Charge remains same in a series connection. First thing we have to remember this only. Now potentials be V1, V2, V3 across C1, C2, C3. First, formula C is equal to Q by V. So Q is equal to CS V, series connection. What we got CS, now only we find it, no, 3 picofarad. So 3 picofarad, voltage how much he said? 120 volt battery he connected. So 360 picofarad. Right? Now first, potential difference across C1 is, V1 is equal to, where is the formula? Q by C1, C we can write, no, from this, V equal to Q by C. So V1 is equal to Q by C1, Q is the same. What is Q? 360 by 9, that is 40 volt. Similarly, potential difference across C2 is V2, Q by C2. So Q is same, 360 by, what is C2? 9 only, 40 volt. Now potential difference across C3 is V3, Q by C3. C3 also 9, no? That is equal to 40 volt. So potential difference across capacitor is 40 volt. Right? Across capacitor is 40 volt. Now next, let us go for the next question, fourth question. So 3 capacitors are 2 picofarad, 3 picofarad, 4 picofarad are connected in parallel. What is the total capacitance of combination? Determine the charge on each capacitor if combination is connected to 100 volt supply. So parallel connection, no. What he gave? Parallel connection. What is the formula for the capacitances of capacitor? C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what is C1? 2 picofarad. What is C2? 3 picofarad. What is C4? 4 picofarad. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 picofarad. Right? Now next what he asked? He asked to determine the charge on each capacitor. Determine the charge on each capacitor if the combination is connected to 100 volt supply. For each capacitor, voltage is 100 volt, right? So from this formula, Q equal to C1 V. Okay, C is equal to Q by V, no, Q equal to CV. So this is equal to C1 is 2 picofarad and 100. So 200 picocoulomb, right? Similarly, Q2 equal to C2V. What is C2? 3 picofarad into 100. 300 picocoulomb. Similarly, Q3, C3V. What is C3? 4. 4 into 100. that is equal to 400 picocoulomb. Right? Now next, the fifth one. A 12 picofarad capacitor is connected to 50 volt battery. How much electrostatic energy is stored in the capacitor? Right? Formula is half CV square. Did he give C? 12 picofarad. Pico means 10 to the power of minus 12. V did he give? Yes. 50 here. Volt. What he is asking? He is asking to find out the energy. Alright. So, energy is equal to half into 12 into 10 to the power of minus 12 into 50 square. Okay. 2 6R. 6 into 50 into 50 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So, if you simplify, you will get 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 joules. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 joules. So prepare these problems also. In previous question papers, these problems are asked for 4 marks. If you like my video, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.